and welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a delicious, healthy bang bang chicken. Not the Americanized deep fried version, but a really delicious, healthy version. It's such an easy recipe and great for any kind of weather, especially if it's a bit hot. Let's get cooking. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button. When I'm cooking this, I'll tell you a little bit about this recipe. It starts with a couple of stock cubes. Obviously, I'm cooking this with chicken, so I am using chicken stock cubes. If you have it homemade, you can use that. And then to these two stock cubes, I'm going to add lots of water. And this is a bath I am preparing for the chicken. You can use more water if you want, but that should be enough for 2 chicken breasts. And I'm going to add a few more things. I needed some light soy sauce for this, but I've just been to the shops and I didn't realize I haven't got it. A couple of pieces of ginger, and I needed a tablespoon of light soy sauce, but I've only got dark at home, so I'm just going to use dark. Also need a teaspoon of 5 spice mix. You get this ready spice blend like a garam masala. You get a 5 spice blend. Oh, it's so cinnamony, really. Right, a teaspoon of that. And just a few 3 to 4 star anise pieces. All very aromatic stuff in there. Next, I'm going to add 2 chicken breasts, no skin, no bone, and then I'm going to bring to a boil and cook this for 15 minutes. While the chicken is kind of simmering away for 15 minutes, I am going to prep the vegetables that will go in this kind of chicken dish. Because this is quite a big cucumber, I'm just going to take half and I'm just going to julienne it. Try and cut it into as thin little pieces as I possibly can, okay? No pressure. This is quite a therapeutic thing to do, to be honest. Just some music on and chop away. So basically, bang bang chicken, I've never been to China. I would love to go one day, but it's a very popular street food there. If I'm wrong in this, please let me know in the comments, because I am just going by what I have heard, not what I have seen in person. So it's a very popular street food. It is served not piping hot, so the chicken is served cold, and obviously it's like in a, I would call it a salad, but you know, more like a light meal. And I think it became like more of a fried version in America. Again, I could be wrong. If you know more about bang bang chicken, please, I'm so interested to know, because the flavors are so amazing, so delicious. And obviously we're making a healthier version, which is great, because why fry it when you can poach the chicken in so many different flavors and spices, and there's crunch from the vegetables. You can add some red chilies on top to give you that heat. You can add some chili garlic oil for that heat. Whatever you do, I think it's a must try. Next, I have got a carrot, and I'm going to do the same with this, like just chop it as thin julienne as possible. I've got a slightly sad looking carrot, so I'm just going to add this too, so at least I can use it. I've just got a whole bunch of spring onions. Going to use these too. And these I'm not going to julienne. You can. What I'm going to do is just chop it into small pieces. And the last thing to go is just a handful of sugar snap peas or any other kind of peas you want to use. And I'm just going to cut them into long, thin strips. So all the crunchy vegetables, salad are in the bowl, ready. I have kind of made extra salad. You can reduce it according to your taste. As always, I'm cooking for 4 people, so that's going to be more than enough. A bit spare, I guess, as well, but that'll good, because whatever's left they can take it for their lunch tomorrow. Now I'm going to prepare the kind of dressing for the dish. So that's toasted sesame seed oil, 1 tablespoon. Next, I have got a teaspoon, a bit less of the honey. I'm going to get a couple of nice fat garlic cloves. I think that'll work. And I'm just going to grate it into the dressing as well. Along with the couple of garlic cloves, I'm going to get a little piece of ginger as well. Grate it both together into the dressing. I have got here 100 grams of chunky, deep roasted peanut butter. I want that bite with the crunchy salad. This bite is going to be perfect. Also a teaspoon of, that's just rice wine vinegar goes in. And there is our glorious chicken that we have poached in lovely, beautiful flavors. I'm just gonna add a little splash of stock in here, just making sure it's all mixed really well. You can use a little hand blender if you want. I don't want to crush the peanuts because I want the little crunch, so I'm just being patiently going to mix it up. I'm just going to add another teaspoon of soy sauce in here, and when it gets a bit too thick, just add a splash more of. Oh, it smells so lovely. That's a perfect drizzly consistency for us. I'm going to take this out and shred the chicken. It's hot, hot, hot. Oh, beautiful. I haven't added any salt, I am aware, because you know, so much stuff in there which has got salt that I didn't want to overdo it. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit in a second. Good thing is it's cooked through, so it's just falling apart. Okay, now our salad, chicken. Beautiful sauce, dressing, whatever you want to call it. We've got our lid. Just gonna shake. Oh, look at that. Just gonna put one serving here. Just a few roasted sesame seeds, some chopped up coriander, some lime juice, and there you have it. And guys, it's ready! I'm so excited and I'm so hungry. I just want to dig in. That is what I'm going to do. It's literally, the sun is here. It's like a spotlight on me, on the dish. Feels like there's a camera light on there, but it's not. You actually don't need any salt in here. If you want, you can add a sprinkling of sea salt or something. I am going to add some chili garlic oil to it though. Let me add it. It's my spicy one. You can find the recipe on the channel. It needs that. I haven't got any red chilies at home, otherwise I would have added that crunch, the flavor, the textures. The bang bang chicken is banging. It's so good, guys. I hope you'll give this a go. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you back for another new recipe very soon. Bye for now.